My mom said that I couldn't go out for Valentine's Day, so I snuck out the back door and broke my nose.
What's up, fam? It's Roxy, and I'm here with not one special thing, but two, with Dazja. Look at that. Fierce, soft beat. Woo. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to start this video, okay? So this will be a collaboration with her and myself for Valentine's Day. I saved you the murder of doing my face with the foundation because right now it's in a weird color phase. It still isn't quite right, but it's okay. I'm using the Hodia Rose Gold palette, and from that, I am using that red color. Wow, so detailed, but it's literally the only super red color that's not glitter in the palette. I think it's like Hearts of Fire or something. I think I made that up. Don't listen to me. Just get the rose gold palette. You'll find it out. So what I'm doing is like a sandwich. And then so I moved on to the glittery color on top. And that thing is so fire. I could have used it by itself, but I wanted it to be really intense for Valentine's Day. So I put it on the edges of both sides. And it is fire. Fire, 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 fire. So then I just wanted to blend it out a little bit because my finger can be a little harsh. I mean, it is not a brush. Da-da-da-da-da. And it just softened the edges. And I love it. Like, I think this is my new favorite look. I want to wear it every day, but I don't want to wear it out of eyeshadow. For the bottom, I put kind of like a deep plum color just to give it a little intensity. And plus, my eyes are huge. So with red, I'll just look crazy if I don't cut it out. Or cut it off, whichever one you like. Next, I used the Buxom Silver. I think it's called Platinum or something. And I put it in the center because for the collaboration, we had difference between silver and gold. And I got silver, and I love silver. I throw it down with the sieves. So now I'm just blending the red shimmer and the silver shimmer so it's not such a harsh line. I mean, you can go that route, just leave it harsh, but I'm not a harsh gal. I'm soft. So next I'm going in with another Buxom color. It's like this orangey fire roasted glitter color to create the crease and just kind of arc the two sandwich pieces. Like a piece of bread, girl, bread. Why am I talking about bread on Valentine's Day anyway? This is a nice black pencil from Anatomy. I think I say it wrong every time. Okay, this is a platinum roller ball from NYX, one of my favorite. I love those roller balls. They save you so much time. Next, I'll be going on with some eye candy glitter. I spilled it, and I'm so mad. Like, it's platinum also. Or I think it's like reflects platinum. It's weird. It's like very awesome. It's like 3D almost. Maybe it's 3D platinum. Anyway, I'm obsessed with glitter, and I had to put the most glitter on for Valentine's Day, of course. I feel bad for my date when I actually get one with this look. Now I went in with the Stila Stale All Day hot pink pencil and just drew some little hearts, give it a little bit more festivities. I was going to do a Harley Quinn look with it, but I decided that blue and red in one face on Valentine's Day might be a little bit much unless you date the Joker. This is Anatomy mascara, and then boom, lashes from my friend's line coming soon. Some more Anatomy for you. I just wanted to make the silver really pop and kind of like blend it together a little bit more because the platinum was kind of harsh. Now I'm going in with the white just to make the edges pop. And then I also was going in with the white to pop my brow bone because I felt like it was just chilling back there. And this is Valentine's Day. You don't chill. Next, I'm going in with their copper blush. And I'm using the gold parts of the marble blush to give me a little bit of a highlight, a very soft one. Then I'm going in with the cheeks all around to make that copper color and like just gives me the glow I need. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced Ray of Light highlighter because, duh, I want to be a heart ray of light for Valentine's Day. Look how cute that packaging is. I would marry the person who does that packaging, like solid, no holds bar, marry the person. I gotta get the nose and the Cupid's bow because we're not gonna end there. I gotta have a lip. Hello. Next, I chose I think that's Maybelline. It's like a magenta color. It's like magenta fire or something like that. And I put that on first because I like a neon red lip. I'm so obnoxious. I can't just have a red lip or a hot pink lip. I must have a neon hot red lip. Hot red. Woo-hoo. Next, I'm going to go in this with the color Stila Beso, and I love Beso. It is an amazing standalone color. It will stay all day through drinks and kisses and what have you for the Valentine's Day. Or if you're not going to be kissing anyone, which I'm not, through eating fried chicken. See you at Birds. JK. But really, see you there. Okay, stop, girl. Dang. And guess what? That is our finished look. I let my hair down, I shook it out a little bit. I may or may not put some powder on because I was a little shine monster, but that is my Valentine's Day look. So if you see this person walking around, avoid me. I'll be so negative because I don't have a date. Bye. I love you. I love you. Bye. Make sure to check out Dazja's page as well. And just because I'm extra, Jessica Rabbit. I'm back.